Are you a business owner or leader who can't get your team to just do their jobs? It seems everything gets done better and quicker if you do it yourself. You try to do it all but constantly feel overwhelmed and resentful. Fed up with all of the drama, bickering, and complaining? Ever feel like hiding from all of it forever? That employee drama is costing you more than your move. Studies show that each employee wastes at least 2.5 hours per week dealing with drama. That means 25 employees making $18 per hour waste $1,125 on drama. Wait, we're not done yet. Multiply that by 52 weeks and our sample team is wasting $58,500 per year. And that's just the salary cost. How much of your hard-earned money is team drama costing you? Gulp. That's why you must defeat the drama now, and we can help. We have the proven strategies to help you defeat the drama, wow your customers, and improve your bottom line. Click the link now to learn how.